did we get from Shepard?
How much we came from Graves?
They're partners in crime, boys.
Literally.
Right now they're our partners.
I vetted their intel. It's good. They found Makarov's financier. She's an oligarch named Mيلينا Romanova. Been doing Makarov's bidding behind the scenes for years.
Where is she?
A private island.
Isolated and remote.
It's a fortress in paradise. Guess who runs security?
Coney Group.
The intel included blueprints and the lay of the land.
What are we looking for? We can't roll up Mيlينا.
Not legally, but we can roll up her money. Island's got servers that can get us into her banking.
We need to get past their security protocols.
Someone out there has a fob key. We find him, I can get a live line and crack it.
We'll infill from the water and split up. I'll go for the fob key. Ghost secures the rear perimeter.
We'll need eyes.
I'll pilot a drone and coordinate from the air.
I like what I'm hearing.
Let's go follow the money.
Weapons hot, Johnny. Storm's coming.
Give me a sit rep, boys.
On target, watch about to split up.
I got eyes in the sky. Let's go to work, Bravo.
Going in.
Copy. Primary objective is the fob key. Melena's security officer has it. He's our HVI right now. Soap, he'll be on your side of the island.
It's a lucky day. I'll track him.
Tracking the location of our HVI. Signal isn't great, but his location will update as he moves.
Check.
7-1, you got a hostile on the dock.
I see him.
Moving to secure the perimeter. I'll be on comms.
Good luck, LT.
Yeah, they're gonna need it.
Sweeping the beach.
When Shadow scouted the island, they left supplies. See what you can find.
Copy that. Might come in handy.
Watcher, escape vehicles confirmed on the perimeter.
How many?
There's a cove with 4 inflatable soft-skin boats. One bird near the east beach. Minimal guards.
We can't risk an evac. Take them out.
Roger that. No escape.
Laswell, you prefer the mountains or the beach?
Do I have to choose?
Little of both. That's the way, Laswell.
I'm near some small rooms. What would you call these, Watcher?
I believe those are cabanas, 7-1. Be advised, did some digging. HVI's name is Nestor Gustav.
Tell his family he won't be home for dinner.
Took down the guards on the rear perimeter.
Sabotage all boats and vehicles. No one gets in or out, Ghost.
Count on it.
HVI is at the fountain, Soap.
Copy.
He's got 2 Coney with him.
Better than 3.
Take him alone if you can, Johnny. You need to take down the HVI, Sergeant. Get after it.
On my way.
Boats are down. Going for the helo.
Nice work, Ghost.
Sensor assets are down. No movement.
Copy. Stay put and keep it secure.
Расчетное время.
Должны закончить за 20 минут.
Get down to business, Johnny. Find the HVI and chalk him.
Главное, все будет
With
сделано
pleasure,
как
LT.
следует.
Капитан устанавливает связь. И я.
Мы работаем. Есть движение?
Как нет? А у вас?
Пока ничего.
Противник может действовать скрытно.
Хорошая позиция, мы готовы.
Принято. Продолжайте.
What's the intel on Mark and Mيلينا? How far back they go, Watcher?
Her husband and Makarov go way back.
What happened to the husband?
He fell on a knife 9 times. HVI went interior.
Understood. Exiting.
Copy, I see you. You're close.
Got it.
HVI is exterior.
Roger.
Противник после...
You're compromised.
Открываю огонь!
Taking the stairs.
Roger.
Check near the fountain for the HVI. Please step inside it.
Check.
They lost you for now.
Make an entry.
Look for anything we may need in there, Soap.
Moving exterior.
Copy. You're exposed.
HVI's down.
Get his fob key.
Working on it.
Don't sleep on that key, Johnny. Get it.
Don't leave the fob key behind 7-1. They're settling, you're clear.
Got the fob key.
Good job, 7-1. Terminal is inside a bunker nearby. Push to it with the key.
Outside.
The terminal is in the bunker under the radio tower.
I'm outside the building across from the bunker.
I see you. Move in and check it.
Я не вижу, где! Противник все еще где-то здесь.
Room clear.
Search it.
The bunker door is opening.
Copy. Get into the bunker, Johnny.
Watch it, they see you.
All stations inside the bunker.
Copy. Access the terminal, Soap. You're in the clear. Access the terminal, Soap.
All right, terminal's booting up.
Good work, Soap. I see multiple accounts, banks, routing numbers. The start, but it's all locked under biometric authentication.
SIGINT shows multiple calls from the main house.
Mيلينا must be inside.
We need her face, eyes, prints.
Check. Soap, rally at the mansion. We'll take Mيlيna alive.
Coney will protect Mيlina to the death, boys.
Death it is. Let's do this, LT.
Это что такое?
Ты успел рассмотреть? Есть. Я не посмотри. По мне открыли огонь!
They see you, Soap.
Укрытие! Очкуйте! У нас потерь!
Heads up, Bravo. I'm seeing new drone activity on the island.
Eyes high, Johnny. Dust them when you see them.
Roger, LT.
Враг двигается!
Watch those drones, 7-1. The terminal was making calls to my office. I intercepted the signal. It's worth a listen. Stand by. Who is accessing the terminal? Find Gustav, now!
Gustav is no longer available, lass. Be advised, Melena's spooked. She loves that money.
Good. We'll weaponize that.
Night bombing!
High alert all over the island right now.
They're on you, Soap.
Down the drone! the drone. Bloody hell.
What are you on about, Johnny?
It's like a freaking car museum in the garage.
You'll marry yourself an oligarch with an island in this too.
Planning on getting you to marry when we're done with her.
Main house, moving into your room.
Copy. Be advised I'll lose visual.
Check. Where's Romanova?
Hold up in her office, 3rd floor behind a secure lock door.
How do we breach it?
Ghost, if you cut power to the security system, I can open the door remotely.
Solid copy.
Even if we do get to Romanova, Coney won't stop.
They'll stop when they're dead.
Good point. So hope you know what to do.
Clean and clear, watcher. My specialty. Ghost, what's the power update?
Breakers located. Stay on it, Johnny.
LT, give me a sit rep.
Nearly done. Keep pressing. All stations, power is down.
Right on time. Pop the lock on Melena's door, Laswell.
On it. Stand by. Doors open, boys. We're in.
See you inside, Johnny.
Special Forces, show your hands! Sit.
Fuck you.
Sit down, Meleina. Where's your boss?
I don't have a boss. No one tells me what to do.
How we doing, boys?
She's not talking.
She's about to.
Give me your hand.
Why? Or else you'll cut it off?
Not my style. He might.
Why the mask?
To hide my face.
We're in.
Nothing in my banking will get you any closer to Vladimir.
We'll see about that.
There's multiple Coney Group accounts hiding in plain sight. Several recent transfers to Zordaya prison.
The Gulag.
Money for Makarov's escape.
Wealth opens doors.
Let's withdraw a few rubles from Makarov's coffers then, shall we?
Done. Let me know if we hit a nerve.
85 million of Makarov's transferred to a CIA black fund.
Vladimir's York is already bought and paid for. You're not very good at this.
Neither are you. All your men are dead and your accounts are wide open.
You're stealing from Makarov's future, not mine.
Oh, Soap, do you hear that?
I did.
Let's make this personal.
We need to get off the eggs. Make this happen or we take her with us.
Swiss National Bank.
This is your personal account, huh?
Money's hardly been touched.
It will be.
Ты за кого, сука, себе принимаешь?
Looks like we found that pressure point, boys.
Let's drain it.
Don't you fucking dare!
Something wrong, Miss Romanova.
I don't know Makarov's plans. I am a financier, nothing more!
Give him your print.
Or tell us where to find Makarov.
Fuck you. And that little birdie in your ear. That account is my money. I fought for it, I earned it!
One more push and we got her.
Last call, or he takes over.
He'll know you were here. I'm as good as dead without my money. I need my money!
We need Makarov. Where is he?
Vostok! There's a wire transfer to Vostok capital in St. Petersburg. Vladimir buys old properties, abandoned buildings. I don't know how he uses them. That's all I can tell you.
I see it. That's all we need.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Good chat.
When you beg him for your lives, he won't let you have them!